Hi there, my name's Mark Teacher, and I'm going to write 6 introductions for 3 IELTS Task 2 essays about transport and infrastructure. The first question is, some people think that cars should be banned in large city centres. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, nowadays, the number of private vehicles in large cities has increased significantly. As a result, there are some who argue that a ban on vehicles entering the centres of cities should be implemented. However, I believe that this would not be an effective solution. Answer number 2 will agree. My position will be the opposite in both introductions. Number 2. Recently, ownership of vehicles has grown, and therefore cities have become more congested. Consequently, there are those who argue that these private vehicles should be banned from entering the city centre, and I agree. Number 1 agrees, number 2 disagrees. You can pause the video here to highlight or look up any vocabulary that you would like to use in your essays. Question number 2. In some cities and towns all over the world, the high volume of traffic is a problem. What are the causes of this, and what actions can be taken to solve this problem? Introduction number 1. In various places all over the globe, traffic density has become a major issue. This essay will explore some of the reasons for the emergence of this problem, and suggest some solutions. Because this essay does not require me to take a position or have an opinion, I'm going to create another introduction in the same style. I do not have to present an opinion, so I'm not going to do 2 opposite opinions. Let's say the amount of traffic in cities and towns around the world has increased significantly. In this essay, I will explore some possible remedies to this problem and suggest some potential solutions. Sorry, not possible remedies, possible reasons to this problem, and some potential solutions that could be taken. Again, pause the video here, and make note of any vocabulary that you would like to learn, absorb, or look up the definitions for your own essays. The third and final question is this. In a number of countries, some think it is necessary to spend large sums of money on constructing new railway lines for very fast trains between cities. Others believe the money should be spent on improving existing public transport. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. Attempt number 1. In many nations around the world, it has been argued that constructing new high-speed railways, I always type railways, new high-speed railways is a more worthwhile investment than repairing existing rail networks. This essay will explore both sides of this discussion and will explain my reasons for supporting new infrastructure over fixing existing ones. Attempt number 2. I think I can do better. I don't really like that first one. So, let's see. Nowadays, there are those who argue that the government should be spending more money on fixing and improving existing railway networks. However, I side with those who believe that money would be better spent on building new high-speed rail networks. I prefer number 2. They are both correct. They are both perfectly good IELTS essay introductions. Again, pause the video here if you want to learn any of the vocabulary or look up the definitions of any of my sentences. If you have any questions about this video regarding vocabulary, grammar, or the overall structure of those introductions, please leave a comment below and I'll reply as soon as I can. Likewise, if you have any requests for future topics, please let me know and I will consider them for future videos. Follow my Facebook page, IELTS with Mark Teacher, for more videos and posts just like this one, and I will see you very soon.